Hi guys, this is a tutorial on how to make an octohedron in onShape. So I'm first going to sketch on any plane. I'm going to sketch on the right side plane. I'm going to sketch just a 1 inch by 1 inch square. Finish my sketch. When I extrude this square like this, it's just going to be a cube, a simple cube. So instead I can modify this extrusion to make it into an octohedron. I'm going to click symmetric and draft, and I want this draft angle to be 45 degrees. And then you might get something like this. If this happens to you, you have to click this button to change the direction you're drafting, and this will turn it into an octohedron like this. And there you go.